Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the battery warning function in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the settings section, click on the more button. And then if you scroll down at the alarm section, click on the battery warning button. And here's a small information on this function, and if you want to turn this on, just click on the on button and then the function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.